We can create our module. For this purpose, we have to create first a Python file with .py extension and type the following code as import math my_num equal to 100. And now we are defining three functions here: area of rectangle, area of square, and area of circle. Now we save this file with name area.py. Now import this area module as import area. Now print area of rectangle with parameter 7 and 8. It will give us 56 because area of rectangle is length into breadth. This will call this function. That's why we get 56. Now print area.mynum. Value of mynum given here 100. That's why it is giving 100. Now from area import area of square. Now using area of square with parameter 8. This will give 64 because area of square side into side. 8 into 8 64. Now if we use area of circle with parameter 8, it will produce error because we have not qualified this name. We have to first qualify this name like this way: area of circle with parameter 8. Then this will not produce error. Else we can use from keyword. We can write here from area import area of circle. Then we can use in this function directly here. But we have not do this type of work. That's why it is producing error. Help function. It is used to get detailed information about any module like name of module, functions inside module, variables inside module, and name of file, etc. If you write help area, help on module will be displayed. Name of this module is area. Functions inside this module is area of circle, area of rectangle, area of square, and data in this module is mynum equal to 100. And it also give us location of this module. Namespace. Namespace is a space that holds a bunch of names. Consider an example. In a CCA competition of Vidyalaya, there are students from different classes having similar names. Say there are 3 Priyanka Gupta, one from class 10th, one from 11th, and one from 12th. As long as they are in their class, there is no confusion. Since in class 10th there is only one Priyanka Gupta, and same with 11th and 12th also. But problem arises when the students from 10th, 11th and 12th sitting together. Now calling just Priyanka Gupta would create confusion. Which class Priyanka Gupta? So one need to qualify the name as 10th Priyanka Gupta or 11th Priyanka Gupta or 12th Priyanka Gupta and so on. From the previous example, we can say that class 10th has its own namespace where there are no two names as Priyanka Gupta. Same holds for 11th and 12th also. In Python terms, namespace can be thought of as a named environment holding logical group of related objects. For every Python module, Python creates a namespace having its name similar to that of module's name. That is, namespace of module area is also area. When two namespace comes together to resolve any kind of object name dispute, Python asks you to qualify the name of object as module name dot object name. Processing of import module. The code of import module is interpreted and executed. Defined functions and variables in the module are now available to program in namespace created by the name of module. For example, if the imported module is area, now you want to call the function area of circle, it would be called as area of circle. Processing of from module import object. When we issue from module import object command, the code of imported module is interpreted and executed. Only the ask function and variables from module are now available in the current namespace. It means no new namespace is created. That's why we can call object of imported module without qualifying the module name. For example, from math import square root. Here we are importing only the square root function from math module. That's why we use from keyword here. And now we can print square root of 25. It will produce 5. However, if the same function name is available in current namespace, then local function will hide the imported modules function. Same will be applied for from math import asterisk method. Now we can create package. For this purpose, we have to create first new folder in which we want to act as package. The name of folder will be the name of your package. Here we create my package folder. This will act as my package, our package. Next, create module with .py extension and save it in my package folder. Here we have created area.py, a function that we have created in our example, and other module is numcheck.py. Here it is checking for even number, prime number and palindrome number. We have created these programs in our function chapter. Now importing package and modules in Python program. For this purpose we have to write import myPackage.numCheck, or if you want area module, then we have to write import myPackage.area. Now n equal to int input enter number. If myPackage.numCheck.isPrime, now we are calling here isPrime function. So that's why we have to qualify this function, like myPackage.numCheck.isPrime. Here myPackage is our package and numCheck is our module and isPrime is function. Now print number is prime. This is true, then it will print number is prime, else it will print number is composite. Save this file by any name.py outside the package folder and then run the program. Creating alias of package or module. Alias is another name for imported package or module. It can be used to shorten the package or module name. For this purpose we have to write import myPackage.numCheck as mpeg. Now myPackage.numCheck will be known as mpeg in our program. Now we are writing here n equal to int input enter number. Here we can write mpeg. If mpeg.isPrime, we can write mpeg here for myPackage.numCheck. If this is true, then print number is prime, else print number is composite. Save this file by any name outside the package folder and run the program. Now we are going to discuss Thunder init thunder.py file. Double underscore sign is known as Thunder. Thunder init thunder.py. Double underscore is prefixed and suffixed. This file is required to make Python treat directories containing the file as package. Yes, Thunder init thunder.py can just empty file, but it can also execute initialization code for the package. Python 2 requires Thunder init thunder.py to be inside a folder in order for the folder to be considered as package and made importable, but in Python 3.3 and above it support implicit namespace packages. All folders are packages regardless of the presence of a Thunder init thunder.py file. So from Python 3.3 it is optional to create Thunder init thunder.py file. creating and using package and module and tender init tender file. Create a folder to act as a package. For example, in drive C, a folder my packages is created. Now create tender init tender.py file. Do not write anything in it in this folder my packages. Now we have created tender init tender.py file inside the our package, that is my packages. Now create another folder package one inside my packages. Again we are creating tender init tender.py file inside package one also. Now create a module with .py extension. For example, my module.py file in package 1 to have some functions in it. Here our my module is given. Here three functions are defined: cube, that is returning cube of a number; average, that is returning average of four numbers; and welcome string, that is returning welcome with your passing string. Now our entire content will be like this. Drive C, it has folder, that is my packages, that is our package. This folder has init.py file, that is tender init tender.py, and package one folder, it contains tender init tender.py file and my module.py. Now we have create a new file here, choco.py, in drive C directly, in which we will import module my module. To import the packages, we can either use absolute addressing or relative addressing. Absolute means following the complete address, whereas relative address means with relation to current folder by using single dot. Here from my packages dot package 1 import my module. Print my module dot welcome with parameter Raj, and x equal to my module dot cube of 5, and we are printing here cube is x will return 125. Here we have used absolute path. Here is a tip to use package from any location. At this time the package my packages will be accessible from its location only. It means the file in which wants to import this package must be in same folder or drive where my packages is. To enable my packages to be used from any location, copy this my packages to Python site packages folder inside lib folder of Python's installation folder. Try with copying to lib folder also. The path of site packages is drive C /user /vin /appdata /local/program /python 36-32/lib/site packages. After this you can import this package my packages in any Python file.